These business people captured the moment a massive 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck Bangkok, shaking the building so hard that water from the rooftop pool came crashing down. And this is the view from below, caught by a passerby, as he watched the water pouring from above. Meanwhile, these people tried to escape as waves formed in the sky pool, fearing they'd be dragged toward the edge of the building. This video is too long to show here, but you can watch the full version below to see what really happened.